do you mean by PSLC? People, PSLC. What is PSLC? Priority Sector Lending Certificate. Okay, very simple way, may I'll explain you. You tell me one thing. Sir, we'll not get into the technicalities of priority sector lending certificate. We are not doing any banking exam. We'll understand it in a very simple manner. You tell me one thing. What is the priority sector of the country? Priority sector ka lending certificate. Priority sector, if I tell you agriculture, is agriculture the priority sector in the country? Is agriculture the priority sector? Yes. What happened? One bank is State Bank of India and one bank is ICICI Bank. Okay, everyone? RBI has gone ahead and told that every bank out of their total loan ka portfolio, at least 20% of the loan should be given to agriculture. Should be given to whom? Agriculture. SBI went ahead and gave 25% of its loan out of the total loan ka portfolio. 25% of the loan is given for agriculture. Has SBI gone ahead and met the criteria? Yes, sir. At least how much should have been given to priority sector? 20% should have been given to the priority sector, which is agriculture. They have given 25%, means they have 5% of the loans are extra, which they have given to whom? Priority sector. Is my point clear? You know what happened? ICICI went ahead and gave only 15% of their loan to the priority sector. How much they have given? Only 15% of the loans have been given to priority sector. How much is the minimum requirement? 20% of the loan should be given to priority sector. How much is the default they have done? They have given 5% less loan to the priority sector. Do you guys agree with me that ICICI has defaulted? Do you guys agree that ICICI has defaulted? You know, to make this default correct, ICICI can go ahead and buy priority sector lending certificate from other bank. Baba, has the bank gone ahead and defaulted? Yes, sir. 5% loan they should have given more to the priority sector, which they have not given. Yes or no? Now, out of their total loan portfolio, that 5% of the loan which they have not given to the priority sector, they can make this default correct. How? They can approach State Bank of India and tell, sir, have you given some extra loan to any priority sector? They will tell, yes, sir, we have given 5%. We have given this much amount ka loan. This much amount ka loan extra to the priority sector. What RBI has allowed is what SBI can do. SBI can go ahead and make a certificate and sell it to the other bank, ICICI. SBI will say what? SBI will say, okay, I will give you a priority sector lending certificate. How much amount ka? Baba, what is your default amount? Out of the total loan amount, whatever is your default. For example, ICICI ka total loan portfolio is 100 crore. Out of 100 crore, 5% is not given to priority sector. So they want a priority sector lending certificate with respect to the agricultural loan. Correct or not? So they will go ahead and approach State Bank of India and say, sir, 5 crore rupees ka loan we have not given. We have defaulted how much ka loan? 5 crore. 5 crore rupees ka loan we should have given more to agriculture sector. So you do one thing, you give us a priority sector lending certificate. Have you given extra loan to priority sector? SBI will say yes. So SBI will issue one certificate to them. See, loan doesn't get transferred from that bank to this bank, but it is just a certificate which will be issued by whom? State Bank of India to whom? To ICICI, saying that okay, this is a priority sector lending certificate which we are giving to you. So what State Bank of India will do? State Bank of India will sell this priority sector lending certificate to whom? ICICI. ICICI got that amount of 5% loan which was there. 5 crore rupees ka priority sector lending certificate bought. Default corrected. Huh? Yes. Baba, this is one way the bank makes money. If I am a State Bank of India and I'm giving extra loan to agriculture, that extra loan what I can do? Whoever has defaulted, how much ever amount ka loan ka certificate they want, we can go ahead and issue what? Certificate. And it's a legal practice. These certificates are sold on the e-Kuber website of the RBI. Are we clear, everyone? So bank who wants it, they can go to e-Kuber. So what will happen, everyone? Whichever bank has extra, they are the seller. Whichever bank has gone ahead and defaulted, who are they? Buyer. So what will happen is buyers can go to e-Kuber ka website. In e-Kuber ka website, this bank will go ahead and list down its PSLC and this bank can go ahead and buy it. Once you buy, your default gets corrected. Are we clear, everyone? Sir, what is the benefit of PSLC? See, Baba, this bank could not lend it out. Might be ICICI is only in cities, and they are telling, sir, we are lending more to other sector. We are not lending to agriculture. What to do? Default is there. So what they can do is, might be State Bank of India has lot of people who are going ahead and taking loan for agriculture. So State Bank of India will get an opportunity to earn money by selling its certificate. Are we clear, everyone? So what will State Bank of India do over here? They will make one priority sector lending certificate. They will go to the EcoWare website, and EcoWare website ke through this certificate will be sold. Are we clear? That's what they have gone ahead and told. Sir, priority sector lending certificates are not securities. Now, bank went ahead and told, sir, when I'm sending my PSLC certificate, because it is sold on an online platform, just like shares are also sold online. PSLC certificate are also sold online. When shares are sold, shares where there is no GST. So PSLC certificate also, when I am selling, there is no GST. Government told, wait, Baba, wait. Bank, Baba, these are not securities. These are goods. Priority sector lending. Baba, is it immovable property? It is movable property. It is goods. And if it is goods, it is always taxable as goods. Are we clear, everyone? And then, now you tell me one thing. Does State Bank of India know that ICICI has bought the certificate? No. One bank, when it is selling to another bank, the certificate, when it is bought by the other bank, both the banks don't know each other, because who is there in between? E-Kuber ka website, which is maintained by RBI. E-Kuber website is there in between. Both the banks don't know each other. I don't know who are you, where are you. Do I know you are within the state or outside the state? Do I know whether are you within the state or outside the state? If I don't know, will I pay CGST, SGST? Central government told, Baba, when you don't know anything, pay it to us. Charge IGST and pay it to us. Are you guys able to understand? When you don't know, now this both banks don't know each other. So what will happen over here? When I don't know the other bank, in that scenario, government went ahead and told intra. I told, sir, intra or inter? Government told, Baba, when you don't know anything, please come to me. I am the central government. Charge IGST and give it to me. Are you guys able to understand? Whenever it is, when you don't know whether intra or inter, so government went ahead and clarified, please take that supply to be what? Interstate. So whenever PSLCs are sold through the e-Kuberka website, never this bank will know about the other bank. So in this scenario, always what will happen? Interstate supply, and always what will be charged is IGST. IGST shall be payable. Is my point clear to all about priority sector lending certificate? So whenever one bank is going ahead and selling to another bank, PSLCs are first of all goods. Nature of supply will always be interstate, and what will be always payable? IGST. And this was a clarification which was given. I hope everyone is clear with PSLC now.